Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Happy Thursday. We have quite the temperature gradient across the state right now. Look at Bozeman, 49, 45 at Yellowstone Lake, and you go out east and some of us still holding on to the 70s like Miles City. A lot of eastern Montana yesterday hit the triple digits. Some of us even in north central Montana hit the triple digits. It was a very hot day, 90s and 100s widespread throughout the state. It was also very windy, especially with some thunderstorms that rolled through. We did have severe weather in the terms of some wind gusts yesterday. Our max was 70 miles an hour in Baker. That was associated with a thunderstorm last night. Wind has died down right now, but it will start to pick back up this afternoon when a cold front comes through, but it is nowhere in sight right now. A lot of the state is dry, but the front will be coming through later this afternoon. We'll start to have some showers and a couple of thunderstorms along the High Line, Cut Bank out to Havre, moving slowly south throughout the afternoon and evening hours. Great Falls could see a few light showers around. I think Helena will be mostly dry, unfortunately. I know we were talking about rain earlier in the week, but models have just trended drier and drier with this thing. We will have some regenerating showers along the cold front early tomorrow morning from Billings out to Miles City and Glendive, and then moving out of the state by tomorrow afternoon. We'll be left in a northwest flow, pretty dry behind this. We'll have a few upper level cirrus clouds moving through, but a pretty nice day expected on Friday. So here is the cold front. We'll have a strong west wind out ahead of that front before it makes its way through, but back behind it, cooler air and a northwest wind component. So the northwest wind usually brings in that cooler air, and that's what we will see going into this afternoon. So here are the highs across the state today. Back behind this boundary, we'll be in the 70s and 80s. Quite a nice day aside from the wind. We're still pretty hot out into parts of eastern Montana before that cold front gets there. We will hit highs in the low to mid 90s for a lot of us out in the flatter regions of the state. Here's the next 7 days for Helena. We'll be in the 80s today and tomorrow. We're still warming into the weekend, however. Another ridge builds in, mostly sunny skies, highs in the low to mid 90s once again, but another cold front going to make its way through early next week. That'll drop us back down into the 70s for highs and 40s for lows.